Guys, I am back with another video. So today I am gonna show you how to get good at BDD battles with different and really easy strategies how to play. So we're gonna start with mortar, tag shooter and farm. So basically the easiest way to learn this strategy is you are required to just maelstrom and defend any type of rushes. It is pretty easy to defend any rushes. So basically you are just required to maelstrom zebras, maelstrom moabs and maelstrom BFB and just be aggro by round 20 and round 22 and send early zongs and etc. And you can easily get wins with this strategy. So he's forcing me to get up a maelstrom. I got a maelstrom. I speed up this game because slow gameplay is pretty boring, guys. I hope you are liking my voice in this video. Okay, so basically I am making this video for most of my friends on Discord. DM me and ask what are the best strategies to play in boost only. Like recently many people asked me, like Melon Doggo and Doggo something, I don't remember his name. For more like in future I'll make many more videos on different game modes. Like, oh, his rush is forcing me a more upgrade on my side. Okay, so in future I'll make many more videos on different game modes like R3 speed bonanza, R3 speed with fire, speed bonanza, in which I am got like, maybe I'll make a video on cards gameplay too. So basically forcing him to boost. I cannot allow him. Just keep maelstroming. And now I am going to get a BIA because BIA gives you faster money and you can send early balloons to them with so much money left over. Okay, from here it is pretty boring, so I'll speed up the game play. Okay, so he sent me a Moab. I'm just gonna maelstrom this easy. Okay, I think he will send us one more Moab. I am getting few more tax prayer because it is a really good defense for BFB and just maelstrom the remaining ceramics. So now I am going to send him a Moab because he got facility out on his side. Let's see, can he defend that Moab. Lol rip, he died. Okay, so guys, I'll catch you in next game. Okay, so another basically easiest strategy to learn is farm engineer and spike factory. In this strategy you are just required to get up a balloon trap and a spike factory at the end, so it takes all the balloons inside. Okay, so I start with engineer and it's pretty boring gameplay, so I'm gonna speed up a bit. Okay guys, so here we'll get our balloon trap ready. So he sent us let's and all. There we got our balloon trap ready. You might get some Minecraft voices in background. Yeah, it's our boy MD Amin playing there, who is my opponent in this game. I link his channel in our description. Please make sure to check and subscribe to him too. So here I will show you how to defend round 14 trap glitch thing. It's basically just boost and keep farming over and over. This strategy is basically best strategy on this map. Most of my friends play this strategy and they are really good now. So here I'll show you how to defend lets with this. Just upgrade your spike factory to 3-2 spike factory and easy. Now from here it's pretty boring, so let's just skip to the part. Okay, get up one more spike factory to break the layer of the Moab, so that the spike factory at the end easily clears up the remaining ceramics. There you can see how easily we defended his rush. So now I'm gonna skip up right to the direct part where the actually really good shit starts. So now here we can see he is trying to offensive push me a zone. So let's get ready for his zone rush. Basically what you gotta do is keep a spike factory really nearby the zone so it can spread out nearby it. See, you can see that the layer is breaking super fast. We just defended a zone super easily. You can see that easy, it was super easy. So now I'm gonna send him a Moab because he don't have any defense. Okay, he choked there with his upgrade. He lost his hope. GG's. I'll catch up in another next water map. So in most of the water maps, boat motor and farm is works really good. I know my voice is still shanky and there is lot of background noise in my back. So let's start with our match. First we need to get up our boat at there, and on most of the maps boat on close works really well. It solos ping and much more things. Now I'll get up my faster shooting and I'll force him to get up faster shooting too. Oh, he greeded for the plantation. Intelligent move but not that great because he will definitely need two faster shooting boats to defend blacks. So let's see. We can see there we force him a second upgrade and his placements are really good. The other guy now playing on the other side is Clash with Danish. You might know him guys. He is also a really great player. I link his description to channel 2 in the description. Please go. I am still shanky guys. I know. Okay, so from here it's too passive gameplay. We'll skip to the right part where something really good comes. I know. Okay, now the Moab defense with both mortar is to spam destroyers with a 3-2 motor. So I could have boosted here, but there were not many balloons on the screen, so I didn't boost. Usually 3 destroyers without boost defend the Moab easily. If you have 2 destroyers, you need to boost and maybe spike too. Okay, so he is grading for a factory too early. Let's him to send him 2 Moab boosted. Okay, he should sell his factory. Oh rip, he died.